You've been charged with a crime in Boone County. Chances are your case is going to be filed into either Circuit Court or Superior Court 2. The first court hearing you're going to have is your initial hearing. What happens there is the court is going to go over your charges with you, as well as the rights you have while the case is pending. These include the rights to an attorney, the right to a trial, and a series of other rights that we are happy to advise you of, as well as the court. Now, if you get us hired early enough, we can potentially waive that initial hearing so you won't need to appear. And then we'll go over with you privately the charges you're facing, as well as the rights that you have. Now, after that, your case is going to be set for a series of pretrial conferences. Pretrial conferences in Circuit Court and Court 2 are something that we can typically handle on your behalf without you there. We go in and check in with the prosecutor and the judge and let them know where everything stands. In between each one of these hearings, we're going to be gathering evidence, negotiating on your behalf, and generally moving the case forward. So it's always a good idea to check in with us right before or right after those hearings to understand where your case stands. You may get a notice from the court that you must appear for these hearings, and that is true, but we appear on your behalf. So double check with us, but chances are you won't need to appear for some of the preliminary hearings. We will take care of those for you. Now, as the case goes on, you probably will need to appear 1 or 2 times, usually for the disposition of the case. That's a change of plea, a trial, or something along those lines where the case is resolved. Those we will need your presence for. So ideally, you're only going to have to appear 1 time. That's if you hire us early, we can get that initial hearing waived and try to progress the case forward on your behalf, leading up to that resolution at the end of the case. Give us a call if you're charged with a crime in Boone County. Our number is 317-632-3642. And remember, always plead the fifth.